Power outages can dramatically interfere with everyday life. If you've ever experienced a storm without power, then you understand the importance of having a home generator. Here's what you need to know.
Generators are gaining popularity because there's so many power interruptions that we're having, and there's also so much dependency on electricity. With the storms that we're getting, not only just the hurricanes, but we also have all the winter storms. The power grid is very fragile. Our customers are finding that dependency on electricity be more and more every year. Whether that just be the simple stuff from like cell phones to the refrigerators, but also the creature comforts of like air conditioning. Nobody wants to spend time in Houston in the middle of the summer without air conditioning.
Power Now understands your generator needs and will expertly guide you through the process.
Our main goal is education of the customer so they know exactly what they're getting, and then service after the sale. So service after the sale is the most important part of owning a standby generator, because if you buy a generator and it's installed and nobody looks at it for 2 years and we have a power outage, if it doesn't come on, your investment was for nothing. But what we really work for is to make sure that that generator is up and running 24/7, because it could be something simple as a daytime power outage because of the grid is overtasked, or obviously when the storms come in, that's when we really have to be prepared and make sure that you can live your life uninterrupted. Remotely controlling a generator from anywhere in the US is very important to the customer, because if there's a storm or a flood or something to where our technician cannot get out to you, we have the ability to dial into your generator from our office, remote diagnose, and fix the vast majority of those issues from our office, getting you back up and running when no other dealer can get out there. So this is a technology that we developed with one of our partners, and it is our technology. No other dealerships in the country can do exactly what we can do. The second part of that monitor is just monitoring the day-to-day generator health. So once a week, your generator is going to run an exercise. When it does that, it's going to tell us exactly how the generator operated. So we will be able to know on a weekly basis that your generator is ready for that next power outage. If there was something wrong today, we can come out tomorrow and get that taken care of, as opposed to waiting for that storm to come in and you losing power and then realizing your generator is not functioning.
With a reliable system in place, you can ensure that your home has power during the critical times.
I am a customer of Power Now. I'm very glad that I've made that decision as a family to have a generator for our home. We had a ice snow and storm, I should say, February of 2021, and we were out power after about 3 days here. It was very, very cold. I don't like seeing my wife shiver. She was cold. That's the main reason why we got it. Working with Power Now, I could put a phone call in. They kept me in the loop. The staff was very friendly and helpful. They wanted to make sure all my questions were answered. They did all the work for getting all the permits, took care of plumbing, electrical, even digging the ditches and covering them up again, getting inspectors out to do all the inspections that were needed. The only thing I had to do is get the Homeowners Association approval on it, and that's it. My neighbors, I took them and showed them my generator. I guess you could say like a proud papa, hey, come over and look what I have, a new toy next door. I said, if you're interested, I can recommend Power Now.
Losing power means more than just going without lights.
As the service manager, I take care of all the service tickets, dispatch all my technicians, and make sure they're technically sound with generator needs. Maintenance items is very important to maintain the generator, and that would include air filters, spark plugs, changing the oil, making sure the battery is fully charged for the next storm to come.
With the unpredictability of today's weather, it's never been more important to plan ahead.
Preparing for the storms today will get you through the next power outage. At Power Now, we offer competitive pricing, excellent service after the sale, and we want to make sure that the customers, again, are educated out there so they understand fully what they're getting, and we want to be a partner for life. That's why you should choose Power Now, and that's why we're in business, is to serve the community.
For more information about Power Now, visit their website powernowllc.com, and of course visit our website designingspaces.tv.